The biggest danger on your first hike isn't bears or getting lost. It's overestimating your walking speed by just 1 mile per hour. Most beginners calculate their hike time based on their pavement walking speed. But on a trail with elevation, your speed drops drastically. If you plan a 6-mile hike thinking it takes 2 hours, you will likely be out for 4. This math error leads to the second mistake, starting too late. Sunset happens faster in canyons and forests than your weather app predicts. Always aim to be back at your car 2 hours before sunset to account for fatigue or minor delays. Third, many beginners ignore the difficulty of the descent. Climbing requires energy, but descending requires stability and eccentric muscle strength. Most injuries, slips, twists, and falls happen on the way down when your legs are shaking. Fourth is the fabric mistake. Cotton holds moisture next to your skin, sapping your body heat when you stop moving. Once a cotton shirt gets wet with sweat, it stays wet. Synthetic fabrics or wool are non-negotiable for temperature regulation. Mistake 5 is buying the wrong footwear. You do not need heavy, stiff leather boots for a casual day hike. They increase fatigue significantly. For most maintained trails, trail runners offer better grip, breathability, and less weight. Sixth, packing fantasy gear instead of essentials. Leave the hatchet and massive survival knife at home. Instead, prioritize water capacity. Running out of water ends a hike immediately. Not having a knife rarely matters on a marked trail. Finally, avoid summit fever. The summit is only the halfway point. If you have used half your water or energy just getting to the top, you are already in trouble. The mountain will be there next week. Ensure you are too. Here is your pre-hike checklist. Check the sunset time, cut your expected pace in half, or synthetics, and bring more water than you think you need. These 4 decisions solve 90% of beginner problems. Hike smart, start early, and respect the return trip.